Let's use a Google Sheet with KitMerge. Open KitMerge and click from scratch. Click to name this KitMerge project. Since we will use a Google Sheet we already have with data, click here. Select Google Sheets. For this example, the Google Sheet has already been created. Click Use an existing form/sheet. Click Next. In your Google Drive, select the Google Sheet, but do not open it. Click the highlighted sheet to continue. Click Next. Click Edit your Google Sheet. You must have a column called Email. This is where recipients' emails will be when starting with a Google Sheet. The other columns will be the tags for information for the output. Click the column with Email. Continue by clicking Next. The output is a Google Slides file. Click to select Google Slides. Click Use an existing doc/slide. Click to add the tags that KitMerge found in your Google Sheet. It's easiest to just click to select each tag until all have been selected. Click the tag for Email. Scroll down and click the tag for Name. And click the last tag for Celebration. Click Next. In your Google Drive, find the output file. Click to select it, but don't open it. Click the highlighted file to continue. Click Next. Click to edit your Google slide. All tags need to match the tags in this project. Check the tags. Not all tags have to be used. Only the ones with the needed information. And tags are in all capital letters. Click the tag for Name. Click the tag for Celebration to continue. Select an output file type. For this example we could choose Google Slides or PDF. Let's click to choose PDF. Click Next. Click to add a subject for the email. Click to add an email message. Scroll down and click Next. You will send your email within the KitMerge project Google Sheet. KitMerge will guide you. Click the button, Open your Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet, click Extensions at the top. You will choose KitMerge from your list of extension. It might take a few seconds to load. Soon you will see KitMerge. With your mouse, hover KitMerge. Click Send Emails. Be sure the column with email is selected in email header, and which row is the first email to be sent. KitMerge will start at this row and send to all after it. Click Send Emails. Notice at the bottom of your Google Sheet that you now have a new tab with your log sheet for this project. Do not delete this sheet. Click this tab to continue. Return to KitMerge and click Finish. That's it. You're done.